Hey y'all, so this is our finished house tour finally. We've been here for a couple months now. A lot has changed since then, but I think we're finally like settled in. We also got engaged in the meantime. Look at that. Cue the video right here.
All right, you guys. Nice.
Throughout the house, you'll start seeing wedding stuff start to accumulate as well. So let me show you around. Okay, so this is our front porch. This is a fake plant because I can't keep any plant out here alive. Super cute, super small, but that's okay. Come in here, and this is our living room. So this is the entryway. That's just a coat closet, and that is the console table that I got. In the last video, you'll remember that everything, all the trim anyways, was brown. The walls were gray, but everything else was still brown, and it was horrible. But yeah, so it looks 1,000 times better now. So then over here, we have our couch, coffee table, that kind of thing. We have like 2 end tables over here by our picture window with this chair. These flowers actually are going to be the start of my wedding bouquet. Obviously I don't have all the flowers yet, but that's just a few to start it. Let me know if you want a video of me making my bouquet. So yeah, we have some cute pictures over here of us. I'm actually going to put our engagement pictures in these frames when I get them on Monday. This candle we got from Bath & Body Works. It smells so freaking good, you guys. It smells like fall in here and I love it. This is also my extremely extra bride cup that I made. I did in fact glue all of these rhinestones on myself. So I'm annoying, but it's fine. So if we come over here, we have this bookshelf here. I don't think I'm gonna keep it there. It looks kind of just chaotic at the moment. I didn't really organize it. I'm thinking after the wedding of doing a bunch of frames on this wall of all of our wedding pictures. So that's my vision, but for now I just have that bookshelf. So in here is the kitchen. We have a cabinet video up that you can check out. We redid the cabinets ourselves in 5 days, so that was fun. And then I made this pumpkin. Not that important, but whatever. In here we have Andy's game room.
What's up, y'all?
And this is him actively using the game room. This is his setup in here. Pretty cool. And then this couch is a reclining couch, so it's really cool to watch movies in. And then this is our first bathroom, the guest bath. Not that crazy important. And then this is our guest room to be our guest pillow. This artwork we got in Vegas down on Fremont Street, and it was painted with spray paint by one of the local street artists, so that's really cool. Like I said, you will see wedding stuff start to accumulate, so this is kind of where I'm keeping all of this extra stuff. You don't even want to look in that closet. And then this is my craft area. It's not really completely done yet, but I mean, I have my iron, hot glue gun, of course, wedding planner, and obviously my Cricut. This t-shirt I'm gonna make something with later, and then I got this photo album for our engagement pictures. So I'm a big photo album person, so I really like to have individual photo albums for each event in my life. So here's another big change, the bedroom. So much better with the white doors. In the last video, they were still brown, looked horrible, but yeah, everything looks so much better with gray and white. This is also the blanket that I made in my first and most popular YouTube video. I like having it at night. It's just super heavy, but it doesn't keep me too warm. But yeah, then this is the bathroom. This was the brown that it was before. So just look at that difference. So this is our bathroom, the tub, everything like that. We finally have things up. I also made this of our song. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the bathroom. These towels we got at Target for like $6 and they're the best thing ever. But yeah, that is pretty much our house. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.